This video is the third in a series of videos on Specviz. We will demonstrate how to export your data back into your Jupyter notebook, subtract your model from the original data, and perform a line analysis of the residual fit from within Specviz. After defining a simple function to check for the existence of a data set, we export the spectra back into the notebook using the getSpectra attribute. We specifically check for the spectrum named BB1, which was a black body model fit we defined in video number 2. We then subtract the model fit from our original spectrum and load the resulting model subtracted spectrum back into Specviz to view the residual. The residual shows the underlying black body continuum has been removed. We deselect the other datasets to focus on our residual spectrum. We then define a new spectral region subset over an emission line we wish to analyze. The plugin toolbar offers many possible options for interacting with the data. We open the plugin menu dropdown and navigate to the Line Analysis plugin. We select our subset of interest and define the surrounding continuum. Continuum subtracted line analysis results are automatically calculated, such as the line flux, equivalent width, and centroid. Finally, we open the Line List plugin. We can load a predefined list or enter our own. We'll enter our own. We can then use the slider to explore the line redshift or radial velocity. This concludes our simple introductory videos to Specviz. There are many other exciting features and capabilities possible. Please be sure to click on the link to view our documentation and example Jupyter notebooks that incorporate JDA-Viz and other JWST data analysis tools and methods. Also continue watching to view our other JDA-Viz videos demonstrating how to work with imaging, multi-object spectra, and data cubes.